Hello besties, welcome to today's tutorial. In this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily do cornrows, okay? How to cornrow your hair, how to cornrow someone else's hair, that when you are done with it, you won't feel any pain. What I mean is the right way to do your cornrow braids. Trust me, this tutorial is beginners friendly. If you don't know how to cornrow at all, just watch this video. This is all you need. Watch what I'm doing and follow suit. Definitely by the time you try the first, second, third time, you will know and master how to do cornrows. So this is how to part. First of all, you have to part your hair. When you get to the downside, you know the woman, our skull, the front is bigger than this down the back. Okay, so since all the braids will be coming down to the downside, which is the back side, it means whenever you are parting, this is the right way to part. When you part in a curvy manner, once you get to the back, you slim fit your hand. What I mean is you reduce the amount of hair you pick, because all the hairs, the big forehead, all the hair will be falling down to your back side. So this is the wrong thing to do. So once you get to the back, you slim fit your hand, meaning you reduce your hands, okay, so that none of the cornrows will hang. To prevent any of them hanging, this is the right way for you to part your hair. Please take note of that. Then after you are done parting, I'm done parting, I have to secure the remaining braid so that it doesn't be an obstruction while I am braiding. This is very important. Before you start to cornrow, please smoothen your hair. What happens when you do this, that you won't struggle with tangles when you are braiding. So feel free to do this. Just make sure you pick every part of the front, just little. You can still use your comb to do this. Pick it. Like I said, this tutorial is for beginners. It's beginners friendly. That's why I'm doing it this way, to show you guys everything slow. Okay, I did not fasten this video. I make it to be slow so that you guys can see and understand exactly what I'm doing. So you have to part your hair in threes. You see what I did? In three. Your hair, that front you pick has to be three. You part it three side. Then go ahead and use your right thumb to pick the one on the left. Just watch what I'm doing. You have to do this 2 good times for you to secure your start point. Okay, do it 2 good times. Then after that, as a beginner, you are free to use your hand to get all the hair, pick hairs and add. Okay, by the time you progresses, you don't need to do this anymore, because you can easily braid. While you braid, you are using your back thumb to pick the hair. But as someone who just started, who doesn't know how to do this, feel free to use your hand to pick the hairs and add. You pick, you add, you pick by your left, you add, you pick by your right and you add. Like I said, this video is beginners friendly. If you don't know how to cornrow, you've not done cornrow before and you want to learn, this is all you need. This is all you need. So if you see that the up is well secured, it doesn't necessarily mean that the down, the base of the hair has to be tight. The place that need to be tight is the up side, the up. Okay, so this is how exactly why it's like that. When you are cornrowing, please do not bend your hand. Do not bend your hand. Keep your hand up. Okay, keep your hand up. This is the secret of making cornrows that are not painful. If you want to do cornrows that are not painful, this is the secret. Don't bend your hand. Let your hand be up. When your hand be up, what happens is that the upside is what needs to be tight, not the base of the hair. If you bend your hand, the base will be tight, while the upside will not be tight. It means the cornrow will be very painful, whether you are doing it on your own hair or someone else's hair. Then this is another important thing to take note. When you get to the end part, do not pick every hair at once and add and braid. When you do this, the cornrows will hang. Yes, even if you are doing it with extension, like you are adding extension, it will hang. Instead, be patient. Do it little by little. Pick the hair small, small, little by little, so that when you are done, the hair won't hang. Or if you pick everything and just add it because you are in a haze, or I don't know, it's going to hang. That's why you see some people's cornrows hanging, because they did not actually take their time to pick it little to the down part. So you see it's not hanging because of exactly what I showed you guys. Remember what I said, this video is tutorial friendly. You don't know how to do cornrow and you want to then just use this video. If you have a friend, family member who wants to learn hair, how to braid, how to cornrow, who you don't have any idea or you don't have any money to go to somewhere you get a physical class, then my channel is all you need to get your free online class. So guys, let's do this again. Please guys, if you want to this, if you've watched to this point and you know you've gotten any value from this video, do not hesitate to hit that like button. If you have any question or any video request, let me know in the comment section. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so that once I upload new videos, you will get notified. So once you are done parting your hair, you smoothen. Very important. Okay, you smoothen your hair. When you smoothen your hair, then divide the hair into 3. I'm just repeating this so that you guys can get a clearer understanding of this. Remember I said you are free to ask your questions. If at any point you get confused or there's something you want me to make another video on, let me know in the comment section. And guys, if you would like to know how to braid this time around, do cornrows with extension, like add attachment to the cornrow, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a video on that. But as a beginner or just someone who has been struggling to make cornrows, you have to master how to do cornrow with natural hair first before you can learn to add extensions. If you don't know how to do cornrow and you're adding extensions, you will find it more difficult. So this is the first part. So do not bend your hands. That's the secret of making braids that are not painful. Okay, where needs to be tight is the up, not necessarily the base. Okay, so besties, if you are new to my channel, this is what I do in this channel. I make hair tutorial videos, hair ventilation videos, how to make closures, frontals, how to make braided wigs, how to braid your own hair, how to make simple hair hacks, how to braid as a beginner. You don't know how to braid at all, you want to learn. That's all I do in this channel. And sometimes I do little lifestyle. Okay, so if you're here to join, if you're here to join the family, hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell to get notified. Or anytime I upload new videos, I upload videos every day. So when you get to the downside, just like what I said earlier, just take your time to do it. Do not rush it so that your hair won't hang. Okay, so besties, if you're here to appreciate the video, please do that by hitting the like button. Okay, help me to share this video to family and friends. Someone out there will need this video. Okay, help me to share. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next tutorial video. Bye.